How to fix FanDuel app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name FanDuel and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Over here, you're going to find the FanDuel app server installed on your device. Find the app FanDuel. After you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you will need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're going to get the pop-up. Click on Delete. The app will be deleted. Once you delete the app, close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app FanDuel. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix FanDuel app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.